so what we want to do is to data mine some information, contact information from LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So we will have already created the saved searches, so come up to the top right hand corner, go to Save Searches, and then Business Owner, or whichever list we're going to do. In this case we're going to do Business Owner D-side. Click on that. That brings up the list of contacts that we want to find their telephone number and email address information. So I'm going to use this one as the example, Michael Joy. So the first thing we would do is highlight his name, company, etc., and we would do a Google search on that information. And then we're looking for a valid email address, not a generic one. We're not after the info at address or anything like that. We actually want their named email address, and here it is, mike.joy@delinsafety.co.uk. So we click onto the page, and we would then take this information, copy, and go to the spreadsheet and put his email address in the correct cell, and then come back to the web page. So if you've got two screens, it's a little bit easier. And let's just see whether we can do this with two screens. Hang on one moment. Just get rid of that, and there we go. So we set this up with two screens. Okay, so now we can just drag and drop. So we just highlight the phone number, there we go, and we just move that into phone number, just get on the right line, there we go. And then we obviously need to put in the other contact information. So the name is Michael Joy. Let's just put that in, Michael Joy. And then if we go to their company website, which is here, and if we go to the contact details will be potentially at the bottom in the footer or on the contact page of the website. Let's get that in there. And then we want that in the street details. May have to just do a little bit of cutting and pasting to get it right. There we go, paste that in there. City is Mold. That's in there. Postcode or zip code, it's called postcode here, and that is it. And then we would like their website as well, so just take that and copy that into there, and then that then is a full record. Just turn that, just get that right. So let's just get that, so that's that color. There we go, and that would be the information we're looking for. So the important thing is obviously a telephone number, but also not a generic email address. Let's try and find their exact email address. You won't always be able to find it. If not, then let's leave that blank so we can go back to it. But that's the information we want, and really in terms of a record we're really expecting maybe a couple of minutes